Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 30, 1909 America, New York. Chatter around the Australian PM to announce the resumption of international flights by December. The thing about Australian Prime Minister Morrison is he loves announcing things. Sometimes they have substance, sometimes not. Anyway, expected at some stage today.
BBC News Business. September 30th. 1902 America, New York. Millions of households face 12% gas and electricity price rise. Standard energy bills rise by £139 a year and prepayment meter bills see sharper rise under new price cap.
Forex Live. September 30th. 1901 America, New York. Europe has postponed free trade negotiations with Australia. Info comes via the Australian Financial Review. Link here.
BBC News Business. September 30th. 1901 America, New York. Restaurants warn prices will rise due to VAT hike. The increased sales tax will be passed on to customers, say restaurant and bar bosses.
Forex Live. September 30th. 1900 America, New York. GMT Australia. Markit manufacturing PMI for September, final, 56.8. This the second manufacturing PMI data point we have had from Australia today. Markit highlight their key findings.
New York Times Business. September 30th. 1859 America, New York. Aussie built a TV show on a false claim, says its former producer. Producers say they were led to believe they were making a talk show for A&E, which said no to the program. "You are playing a dangerous game with the truth," the top producer wrote in his resignation email. Brad Bessey, a longtime television producer. New York Times Business. September 30th. 1859 America, New York. Lordstown Motors will work with Foxconn, a contract manufacturer. The deal could result in the sale of the struggling automaker's Ohio factory to Foxconn. Lordstown is under federal investigation and needs more cash to mass produce an electric pickup truck. Lordstown Motors said it would continue to use its factory in Lordstown, Ohio, to make its electric pickups.
Forex Live. September 30th. 1855 America, New York. Skyrocketing gas prices not a problem, says Exxon. Looking at an extra $1.5 billion in Q3 profit. Exxon Mobil Corp on the price of natural gas and oil. The firm is looking at a boost to third quarter earnings by as much as $1.5 billion compared with Q2. Forex Live. September 30th. 1831 America, New York, Australia. AIG manufacturing PMI for September 51.2, prior 51.6. Australian Industry Group Performance of Manufacturing Index. Australia's second manufacturing PMI is due at the top of the hour, 2300 GMT Australia. Markit manufacturing PMI for September, final. Forex Live. September 30th. 1817 America, New York. North Korea says it has test-fired another missile. North Korean statement: it has test-fired an anti-aircraft missile. Korean Central News Agency, KCNA, said on Friday the test launch was performed on Thursday. Info via A. Forex Live. September 30th. 1756 America, New York. Australian housing finance data due Friday 1 October 2021 preview. This is unlikely to be much an AUD mover. A brief idea on what to expect via Westpac. Forex Live. September 30th. 1751 America, New York. Asia market holidays Friday 1 October 2021. China and Hong Kong are both out. Hong Kong markets are closed, as is China for National Day. For major FX centers in HK's absence, all open. China is out for Golden Week October 1st through October 7th.
New York Times Business. September 30th. 1739 America, New York. Consumer Bureau chief confirmed in close Senate vote. The incoming director of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, Rohit Chopra, is expected to use his position to rein in financial firms. A 50-48 Senate vote on Thursday confirmed Rohit Chopra, shown in 2019, as director of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
BBC News Business. September 30th. 1738 America, New York. Macy's sues to stop Amazon using famous New York billboard. New York's famous department store claims Amazon plans to advertise directly outside its flagship site.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. September 30th. 1736 America New York, Eric Posner on monopsony. I recently criticized Don Boudreaux's two major arguments against legal scholar Eric Posner's claim that monopsony in U.S. labor markets is widespread. But I do agree with Don that Posner's case is defective.
Daily FX Market News. September 30, 1730 America New York, copper price remains under pressure as China fears continue to grow, coal prices soar. Copper prices continue to decline as fears over a stagnating China weigh on global demand and market sentiment.
Forex Live. September 30, 1703 America New York, ICYMI. China's vice premier ordered state-owned energy companies to secure supplies for winter at all costs. China's vice premier Han Zheng with the directive. More here in case you missed it. For some background on the energy crisis in China, I posted this yesterday. Forex Live. September 30, 1700 America New York, New Zealand. ANZ Consumer Confidence Index for September 104.5, prior 109.6. A wobble lower for Con in New Zealand. Lockdown will have played a role here, of course. ANZ comments that I found of note in their report. L. Forex Live. September 30, 1642 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread. Friday the 1st of October 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
New York Times Business. September 30, 1634 America New York, Met Museum to return ancient sculpture to Nepal. 3 years after returning 2 stone sculptures, the museum has decided to give back another artwork to Nepal. This one thought to have been stolen from a temple in the Kathmandu Valley. The 10th century sculpture, depicting the Hindu deity, Lord Shiva, will be returned by the Met to Nepal after new research suggested gaps in its provenance.
Forex Live. September 30, 1612 America New York, Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Dollar gives some back. Forex News for North American trading on September 30, 2021. Markets. Gold up $29 to $1,755 US 10-year yields down 2.2 bits per second to 1.516% S&P 500 down 52 points to 4,307.